Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. In today's video, we'll see how we can install Portainer and how we can do stuff on the Portainer. But in order to understand further or discuss further, let's see what is Portainer. Portainer is a tool like if you want to Docker, we have the CLI tool using which we can deploy our containers. But using Portainer, it is so easy. It give us a GUI interface to create or to deploy any instances or to create any container. So let's see it in action. So first of all, this is uh, our host or the VM that we created, and we already installed Docker in it. I will link the video because in previous video we did that. We'll copy the IP. We'll open our command prompt and we'll do SSH, then our root username and IP. Then it will ask for us for the password. Here we enter our super strong password, and here we go. So now first we need to create a volume where our Portainer will store the data. So as once we run this command, it created the Portainer data volume. Now we'll run this big command. Don't worry, this is the right command. If you want to dig more into that, you can go to the official Portainer website and you can fetch command from there also, or otherwise you can use the same command. Okay, great. I did some mistake. I just copy this. Great, and hit enter and continue. Okay. It is asking why include that. Okay, asking Docker and okay, we can just ignore those things and we can hit enter. What happened? Require at least one argument. Okay, sorry for my bad. I just copy pasted wrongly. So now it is just fetching up the image from the Docker Hub. If you want to see how Docker Hub will look something like this. It's kind of a GitHub, but only for the Docker files. So you can see, you can go to the explore and you will find the lot of container images that are installed over here. So you can suddenly I will use this next cloud image for in my next, and I will also deploy a WordPress website if you want. And let's back to the our terminal. Great, with everything installed, we deploy this on port 990. So we'll see. We'll go here, copy 9000. Great. We are in. We'll give the same password to make things easy for us, and we'll also save this password. We can get started. This is our host. Click and we check the containers. Is there any running container? Yes, we have. So this is the hello world container. If you want, we can delete this from here. Yes, and this is our Portainer container that we just created in order to run that. So this is all about Portainer. In the next video, we'll install the next cloud using the Portainer and we'll see how we can deploy that. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, just share with your friend, subscribe to my channel, and to get more such awesome videos, stay tuned to the Cover Puppy. Till the next time, peace.